Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why DOT compliance is essential for safe and reliable truck maintenance. Staying on top of DOT compliance isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about keeping trucks safe, reliable, and on the road. Regular maintenance that aligns with DOT standards ensures vehicles operate smoothly, protects drivers, and keeps other motorists safe. Beyond safety, compliance helps avoid costly downtime, legal issues, and damage to a company's reputation. For trucking businesses, overlooking these requirements simply isn't an option. Legal framework for DOT compliance. DOT compliance is rooted in federal law. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, FMCSRs, provide the foundation, setting the standards for commercial motor vehicles, CMVs. These regulations are enforced by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, a division of the DOT. If your business has trucks weighing over 10,000 pounds, transports hazardous materials, or carries passengers, you're required to follow these laws. Core legal requirements include regular vehicle inspections. The DOT mandates vehicle inspections to ensure that trucks meet safety standards. Drivers need to perform pre-trip and post-trip checks daily, and vehicles must pass annual inspections by certified officials. Hours of service, HOS. Drivers must track their hours to prevent fatigue. For instance, they can only drive a maximum of 11 hours after 10 consecutive hours off duty. Driver qualifications. Every driver must hold a valid commercial driver's license, CDL, and meet physical, training, and experience requirements. Accident reporting. Carriers are obligated to log and report certain types of accidents to the FMCSA. By following these standards, trucking companies stay legally compliant while reducing the risk of crashes and breakdowns. The role of documentation in compliance. It's not just about doing the work, it's about proving it. Keeping accurate records is a non-negotiable part of staying compliant. From maintenance logs to inspection reports, the DOT expects detailed documentation showing that you've followed all the required steps. Some key documents you'll need to maintain include inspection reports, proof that your trucks were inspected daily and passed annual examinations, maintenance records, a history of repairs, replacements, and preventive maintenance tasks, driver logs, records tracking hours of service and ensuring drivers are not overworked, accident reports, detailed summaries of any incidents and corrective actions taken. These records act as your first line of defense in case of an audit or roadside inspection. They show regulators that you don't just talk the talk, you walk the walk when it comes to safety and maintenance. DOT compliance might sound like a lot, but when broken down, it's all about staying organized, proactive, and putting safety first. Every rule plays a part in keeping trucks, and the drivers behind the wheel, on the road safely. Key aspects of DOT compliance in truck maintenance. DOT compliance in truck maintenance isn't just about following rules, it's about creating a safety-first culture for drivers, fleets, and everyone on the road. Proper maintenance keeps vehicles in top condition, prevents accidents, and avoids penalties that can hurt your business. Below, we'll break down key areas of DOT compliance related to truck maintenance and why they matter. Regular inspection requirements. The DOT requires regular inspections to catch potential issues before they become serious problems. These inspections aren't optional, they're mandated to protect everyone on the road and ensure trucks meet safety standards. Routine inspections fall into several categories: daily, annual, and periodic checks. Here's a breakdown of what needs to be inspected. Brakes. Regulations emphasize brake systems since they're one of the most critical safety components. Check pads, rotors, lines, and air hoses for wear or leaks. Tires. Inspect for proper inflation, tread depth, minimum 4/32 inch for steering tires, and any signs of damage like cracks or bulges. Lighting systems. Every light on the vehicle must work, including headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Reflective tape also needs to be intact. Steering and suspension. Loose or worn steering systems can make a truck hard to control. Suspension components like leaf springs and shock absorbers should be secure and damage-free. Windshield and mirrors. Ensure they're clean and free from cracks that could obstruct a driver's view. Skipping inspections is risky. A small oversight, like a faulty light or low tire pressure, can lead to violative citations, downtime, or worse, a catastrophic accident. Record keeping and documentation. Staying compliant with DOT is as much about keeping accurate records as it is about getting the work done. Proper documentation provides proof that your fleet's maintenance meets DOT standards. Without it, a roadside inspection or audit could cost you big time. Key records to maintain include inspection reports. Keep daily pre- and post-trip inspection reports on file. They're your first line of defense during audits. Maintenance logs. Every repair, replacement, and service performed on your trucks should be logged. This aids in tracking trends and preventing repeat issues. Service receipts. Save receipts for oil changes, tire replacements, and other services to verify work was completed. Annual inspection documentation. Proof of federally required annual inspections is a must. These reports certify the truck's safety and compliance. Think of these records as your insurance policy. If your operation comes under scrutiny, detailed documentation can prove you prioritize safety and compliance. Repair and fault rectifications. When inspections or maintenance identify a problem, addressing it promptly is non-negotiable. DOT regulations require that any safety-related issue, no matter how small, is fixed before the vehicle can be legally driven again. Here's why swift repair action matters. Safety first. Even minor mechanical issues, like worn brake pads or underinflated tires, can escalate quickly under the stress of daily use. Avoiding violations. Running a truck with unresolved faults can lead to fines, out-of-service orders, or even liability in the event of an accident. Fleet reliability. Timely repairs keep trucks on the road longer. Ignoring warning signs leads to breakdowns, which means downtime and lost revenue. DOT compliance is a proactive process. Waiting for a problem to snowball isn't just unsafe, it's expensive. Prioritize repairs to maximize uptime and protect both your drivers and your bottom line. Pre- and post-trip inspections. DOT regulations require drivers to perform pre- and post-trip inspections every day. These inspections are designed to identify any issues that could affect the truck's safety or operation. They're also an important step in ensuring compliance. Pre-trip inspections typically cover brakes. Test the air brake system or hydraulic brake pedal for functionality. Steering. Ensure smooth movement without excessive play. Tires. Look for visible damage, low pressure, or missing lug nuts. Lights and signals. Confirm that all lights, reflectors, and signals are working as required. Post-trip inspections are equally important because they help document any issues at the end of the day. This allows repairs to be scheduled before the truck goes back on the road. Drivers must report any defects to the motor carrier, who is responsible for fixing them. Why are these inspections so critical? Think of it like a pilot checking an airplane before a flight. If something's wrong, you don't want to find out mid-route. Daily inspections build reliability, prevent surprises, and ensure compliance every mile of the journey. Consequences of non-compliance. Compliance in truck maintenance isn't a suggestion, it's the law. Ignoring these regulations can have serious consequences that go beyond fines. Non-compliance affects every part of your business, from your financial stability to your operational efficiency. Below, we'll outline the legal, financial, and operational risks of failing to meet standards. Legal penalties and fines. Failing to stay compliant with regulations can lead to severe legal penalties. And we're not just talking about a slap on the wrist. Violations often come with hefty fines that can cripple a business. For instance, the FMCSA can issue fines ranging from hundreds to tens of thousands of dollars per violation, depending on the severity and frequency of the offense. Here are a few examples of how non-compliance can hit your business hard. Out-of-service orders. A truck that fails an inspection may be declared out of service. This means you can't operate the vehicle until issues are fixed. Every day the truck sits idle costs you money and lost revenue. Fines for maintenance violations. For example, failure to maintain accurate maintenance records or neglecting annual inspections could result in fines exceeding $1,000 per vehicle. On a fleet scale, the numbers quickly add up. Severe safety violations. If a vehicle defect leads to a serious accident, the penalties skyrocket. Businesses have faced fines upwards of $25,000 or more when negligence contributes to accidents. Consider one real-world case as a cautionary tale. A trucking company in California was fined over $100,000 for failing to properly maintain its fleet and falsifying maintenance records. The penalties didn't just drain the company's finances, they also damaged its reputation, causing customers to jump ship. But legal consequences don't end there. If a non-compliant vehicle causes an accident, the fallout might include lawsuits, criminal charges, or both. Is risking your company's future worth skimping on compliance? Not likely. Non-compliance creates a snowball effect. A small maintenance oversight can evolve into major legal and financial blows if left unchecked. The key takeaway? Complying with standards isn't just cheaper, it's smarter. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.